Now we are going to see how to install and play Asphalt 8 game in Windows 11 in free of cost. So let's go to Microsoft Store in Windows option, and you can see in left side we have games one option is there. So here you can see all the games, that free games and paid games we can see. So you scroll down and you can see here Asphalt 8, the game is highlighted there. So we click on that one and let it load. Yeah, here we have the option, get one option is there, so you click on that one. So it is asking for date of birth to confirm our age, so you give one date of birth. I think it should be greater than 7 years, so I just give one date of birth. It is validating. And it is analyzing and it is starting the download. So that you can see here the download has started. You can see the size of the game, it is 3.03 GB and the game size is 3 GB. So we need to wait for the game to download. So let me put it on fast forward. So the video is running in 10x speed. Let it complete. So it is almost completed. Yeah, the full download is completed. Here it is loading some other data. So we are inside the game. Yeah, it is asking for gender. It is an optional one and we need to give our age. I just give one age. Now we need to give our nickname. It is asking for Facebook login. If we need special rewards, then we can use Facebook login, otherwise we can directly go to play. I choose career mode. Actually it is the only available car right now, so I select this car and start the race. The game really looks good. You can see the video quality a bit low This is because of my screen recorder. My screen recorder is not recording the high quality video. Otherwise, in real time, the game is really good. And I'm not facing any struck or any hang issue. It is playing very smoothly, and the audio and the game quality, everything is good. While play the game, even I checked the task manager how much load it is taking. Even the GPU is just utilizing 10%. So you can play this game for a long time because the game size is small basically. So you can have this game for some long time play. So there will be no issue to our laptop. And this game doesn't require any special graphics card, so just with low configuration you can play this game. Finished. I think the game is in easy mode, so I completed very easily. Yeah, that's all guys. The game performance is really good. So if you want any game to play, you tell me in that comment section. Next time I will try to play that game.